Welcome back to the channel. Today we are revisiting Apple once again. This time we have actual confirmation that Apple will be bringing AI to the iPhone through Siri starting with Worldwide Developers Conference. Let's dive in. So here we have an article from the New York Times that's coming on a Friday afternoon, interesting timing, and it is Apple will revamp Siri to catch up on its chatbot competitors, by Trip Mickle, Brian Chen, and Cade Metz. Apple's top software executives decided earlier last year that Siri, the company's virtual assistant, needed a brain transplant. Determined to catch up in the tech industry's AI race, Apple has made generative AI a tentpole project, the company's special internal label that it uses to organize employees around once-in-a-decade initiatives. So like Google, I think Apple is very spooked by AI. I don't think they have nearly the risk that Google has, but they are concerned that AI will make iOS worthless or at least not as important, and that other apps powered by AI will be able to supplant the apps in iOS currently have for users. I'll keep going. So Apple is expected to show off its AI work at its annual developers conference on June 10th, when it releases an improved Siri that is more conversational and versatile, according to 3 people familiar with the company's work who don't have permission to speak publicly. Siri's underlying technology will include a new generative AI system that will allow it to chat rather than respond to questions one at a time. Apple also explored creating servers that are powered by its iPhone and Mac processors, 2 of these people said. Doing so could help Apple save money and create consistency between the tools used for processes in the cloud and on its devices. So this is the second Apple leak this week, and they're mentioning here the iPhone and Mac processors on servers, which was the leak from Monday evening going into Tuesday earlier this week. So it's interesting. It seems like maybe the same people that were talking to the Wall Street Journal. But it does seem like Apple's going to be creating their own AI chips, using them in the data center, and presumably using those to power the Siri service. How is this going to be useful? I don't think people are going to have conversations with Siri like ChatGPT or the movie Her, if you've seen that. I don't think people really want to use Siri in that way. I don't think they want to have Siri generate a picture for them. So I think we're going to have to see a new paradigm here, and it's a pretty tall order, but what would be useful is being able to have Siri act as the operating system and interact with all the apps that you have on your phone, and to be able to create a voice experience for those apps and to automate them. I think that's a real challenge. A single one-size-fits-all API sounds rather daunting to do. Connecting a free-flowing conversational AI to interact with apps on your phone and all the variety of things that they do and the data that they handle sounds rather daunting, but we will see. That's all we got for today. Thanks for checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.